everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sydney. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Sydney. I make natural hair content and more. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And make sure you hit the notification bell that goes right beside it so you get notified every time that I post. Y'all, I'm sorry that it has been some week and some days. School has been crazy. Basketball team has been crazy. So I'm trying to make time when I can. And as y'all can see, I need to do something to my hair. So I'm going to be doing something to my hair. Like, I'm just going to do a simple braid out using African Pride products. If y'all have been watching my channel, y'all know I do use African Pride products. I love them. They're oil-based. And yes, I just love them. It really moisturizes my hair. And y'all, I've been wanting to get a detangler for the longest, and I finally got one. So I got this detangler, and I'm ready to use it. Like, I'm just gonna get into the braid out because that's what y'all came here to see anyway. So I'm gonna just get into the braid out. All right, y'all. So I'm just gonna part my hair into 4 sections. The products I'm going to be using African Pride Shea Miracle Bouncy Curl Pudding. I love this. It really brings out my curls, especially when my hair is dry like this right now. Conditioner. It really conditions, leave-in conditioner. African Pride Olive Oil Miracle Leave-in Conditioner. I love this stuff as well. It's amazing. Because my hair is really thick, so I need some oil-based products. Nothing that's going to dry out my hair. And y'all, I had this curl activator. It was so good. Curl moisturizing, curl activator moisturizing milk. It's obviously gone. It was that good. It was pretty good. So yeah, I'm just gonna start by doing these braids because that's what y'all came here for. I think I'm gonna do big braids, I believe. So all I'm gonna do is I just took a little section of my hair and I'm just gonna braid it. I just want them to be chunky. I'm gonna use my detangler for the first time. Okay, I like this. Okay, I like this. I'm gonna add some product to it. So I'm gonna go in with the curl activator, and then I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner. Yeah. And this is just gonna be a quick little video, nothing too special, just to put moisture back in my hair. This is making my hair so soft. I'm in love. Look at this. Y'all, I'm not losing that much hair at all. Like, that's good. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna start braiding. I'm so excited. My hair, oh my gosh. Y'all, like, this detangler is amazing. Because I was like, I'm tired of using combs to detangle my hair, and I'll be struggling. I'm like, struggle. I'm on a struggle bus. It's not even funny. And y'all, I'm just gonna take the ends and put a little curl pudding on it. And I'm just gonna twist it. There we go. All right. I think I prefer braid outs better. Okay, y'all, so I want to explain what I'm doing in depth a little bit. So all I'm doing is I'm going to take a little section of my hair and I'm just going to spray it, put my product in and detangle it and start braiding. And once I get to the end, I twist the rest and then I twirl it with my finger, and I do this for all the rest of my hair. And in every like big section, I probably had 3 or 4 braids. I put leave-in conditioner on my edge brush to moisturize my edges. But yes, I am done with my braid out. I'm gonna show y'all the results. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my chunky braid out using African Pride products. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the takedown routine, or the unraveling, or whatever y'all want to call it. Just make sure y'all stay tuned for the part 2 of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell that goes right beside it. Thank you to my followers. Thank you to everybody who has been kind to me in the comments. And I'll see y'all in the next video.